Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your HSA to Lively for investing contributions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your HSA to Lively for investing contributions, begin by visiting the Lively website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the investing section in the main menu. Click on the option labeled Connect Your Account. You will be prompted to provide information about your HSA account. Enter the required details such as the account number and bank information. Make sure to double-check that all information is accurate to avoid errors. After entering your information, click on the Submit button to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through a two-step authentication process. Follow the prompts sent to your email or mobile device to complete the verification. Once verified, you will return to the investing section of your Lively account. Select the amount you wish to contribute to your investment. Review your investment preferences and choose the funds that align with your goals. Confirm your selections and click on the Invest button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your contributions have been successfully connected. You can now monitor your investments and make adjustments as necessary. Remember to regularly check your HSA contributions and investment performance. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your HSA to Lively for investing contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.